Let's make the clone together. First of all, you need to import the video in a timeline. Then right-click to make a copy of it. Paste it. Now go to the Remove Background and select Auto Removal. It will take a few seconds. Now select the new clip and drag it in a left direction. Like this. Now make a copy of this clip. Paste it in a timeline and move it in a right direction. In this way, you can make the clone easily. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel and like the video and press the bell icon.